Hello, this is Blue Storm Wyvern, and I'm storming at you with another review. And this time I'm going to be bringing you the Studio Series Transformers Decepticon Stinger from Age of Extinction. So, as you can probably tell, this is done in a box. It says number 2 Studio Series. He's a deluxe class. There's his box art. Of course, on the back you get the publicity shot, and this time they actually did him justice by giving him his vehicle mode that he had in the movie. It takes 21 steps to transform him. And here are some other movie Studio Series figures available. You got Bumblebee, Crowbar, and Ratchet. And here's a little shot of Stinger with the insert pulled out. It has a movie scene on it, which I'll show it once again. So let's see, to get them open, I'll employ the scissors once again. So here he is, and he comes with these 4-wheel-like shurikens that'll attach to his back, but I'm not going to do that. So, and of course, here's his instructions. That out of the way temporarily. And if you remember from the Age of Extinction movie, the KIS Corporation were trying to duplicate Bumblebee, and Bumblebee was not too happy about that. And when he saw Stinger for the first time, he really let him have it by just knocking him down. And throwing a fit. So here he is, and all of his red and black and slightly silver glory. And to top it off, here is the movie scene, which is supposed to be like from Hong Kong, but a lot of that was actually shot in places like Detroit, and they just built some faux Chinese buildings to make it look like Hong Kong. So here is Stinger with his little battle scene display. There's that. Okay, so to transform him, I'm going to move his head up, move this back, turn it around that way. This pops up. Fold down the feet. Push that down. Flip out the wheels on his legs. Rotate at the hips first. See if I can get this. Okay, there we go. So they go right behind his back there. Flip up the little arm pads, the shoulder pads. This, which is supposed to represent his weapon, folds out to be the top of the car. And this rotates around. And movie toys are pretty kibbly, so it makes it rather difficult to, so that rotates around to look like that. This has to rotate so the red is on this side. Get the other leg, just like the first one. Make sure the wheels on the front are rotated out all the way. Make sure they go in to look like that. Rotate the other, make sure all the arms are in the right spot. So, almost have it here. there we go. That fastens into that. And this is supposed to go underneath the hold on a second. Okay. So here he is in his vehicle mode. Yeah, it just gives me the head kind of popped off, but that's easy to fix. So this is where the head goes, and I'll put it back on in just a second. But you're supposed to rotate it so it flips down like that. So in any case, here is Stinger in his vehicle mode, and he shows a whole lot more of the red and black. He's got a little purple Decepticon symbol right on the front, and forget what this car is called. It's like some Pontiac sports car. I'm not that much into cars. I mean, yeah, I when I see them, I think they do look cool. Don't get me wrong. But that's it for Stinger. This is the movie series version of him, which I did get the repainted Bumblebee one, but now that I have this one, I like this one a whole lot better. So, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.